How to find other privacy settings on Roblox mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find other privacy settings on Roblox mobile. First thing, go to Roblox and now just click these 3 points here in the bottom corner and then click settings and now click privacy. And here just go down and you will find other settings. Here you can manage who can invite you to private servers and who can join you in experiences, and who can see your inventory. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video. See you in the next video.